Do you know about what KFS is? Kuraku Financial Services is nothing but financial company associated with top 40 plus banks and NBFCs across AP and Telangana for providing both unsecured and secured loans, mainly personal loans, business loans, doctor's loans, chartered accountant loans, home loans, loan against property and mortgage loans, etc. It brings banking services at customers' doorstep and provide complete assistance during entire loan processing both online and offline. If you want to know about detailed information of types of loans provided by KFS, you can visit our website www.kurakufinserv.com. If any queries regarding loans, you can give visit call to 9491 446373. Thank you.